Hi, this is Vil Ramos. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to harvest compost from a compost pile. It's fall and leaves have started to fall. Instead of bagging them and sending them to the town and spending all the energy, we actually store our leaves in a compost pile and then harvest them the next year. This is the compost pile in the back of our lot. I used 4 stakes and then green wiring fence to keep all the leaves in. Over the last year, they've basically decomposed into compost from leaves and twigs and weeds, and a lot of earthworms and other insects just help decompose the leaves over time. It's a good idea to flip the compost pile once or twice a year, and also make sure that it's wet to speed up the compost. So on the top of the compost pile, we see more recent leaves and more recent plants that I've put on it, but underneath there's a healthy layer of compost. I'm going to use this shovel to dig down deep, harvest the compost, put this in this old wheelbarrow, and then use a rake to spread it over the flower beds and the lawn. So I've got a pile of compost onto this wheelbarrow and my shovel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it out over this flower bed, and I'll be able to take out several more wheelbarrows of compost, and the idea is to return the nutrients back to the plants. So just using this shovel, I can grab this compost and just spread it out evenly. So this is what the flower bed will look like after I've unloaded the new compost onto the plants. Okay, here I'm in the backyard. Here's another load of compost. And I'm going to spread this on the base of our plants in the backyard. Okay, here's the compost pile. Here's a good view of what it looks like at the deeper layers. Here I am in the front yard, spreading the compost over the base of the plants to give them nutrients and help them grow. It's a very healthy fertilizer, and it's good use for the compost. So this is my 6th barrel of compost. You can see how deep I've been able to dig through the pile, and the quality of the compost gets even better as you get to the bottom layers. Doing this in the fall frees up all this space for my compost pile. So you'll see this compost, it's very healthy at the bottom of the pile. Okay, this is now my 6th wheelbarrow filled with compost, and I'm going to be putting it here on the other side of my front lawn. It's been very productive. It's been also a lot of work. So I've now harvested 6 wheelbarrows of compost. You can see the gaping hole in the compost pile. This should be enough space to free up the compost pile for new leaves which will be falling this season. Starting with this pile of leaves and this trash pile over here. So having a compost pile helps. You don't have to spend all the energy bagging and sending it through the town. It's quicker. I just take the leaves here, dump them in this pile, and then I wait till next fall to harvest the compost. It's a good idea, as I said, to flip the pile over once or twice a year and try to keep it wet. Here in Boston, we never have a problem keeping it wet. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click like, comment, or subscribe. This is part of my organic lawn care series. Thanks.